The hidden economic and social gains of organized stalking. The hidden economic and social gains of organized stalking. Introduction: a comedy of obsession. Imagine a world where construction workers, motorcycle delivery riders, and couriers find themselves entangled in the bizarre and comical web of organized stalking. You might think their day jobs are the punchline, but it turns out there's an unexpected shadow economy thriving on the edge of absurdity. The organized stalking circus. Organized stalking is not just a simple case of harassment, it's a theatrical performance where the victim is the unwilling star. Continuous surveillance, psychological torment, and a cast of characters who believe their creepy antics are somehow romantic dramedies. In this peculiar society, our construction workers and delivery riders play the roles of both enablers and performers, digging deeper into a pit of absurdity. Why are they obsessed? The illusion of connection. Picture this: a courier follows the victim to a cafe, mumbling sweet, "Nothing's like our relationship is so special," while sipping on a lukewarm latte. For more in-depth analysis of this issue and possible countermeasures, please check out the blog post. You can find the details in the description box or the pinned comment. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to support our content.